Hey, it's Trooper Ben with the Kansas Highway Patrol. I'm on I-70. This is westbound I-70, as far west as you can go across the state of Kansas. Because as you go to this exit, 244 west of Salina, you're not going to go further west. It's shut down. All the semis are stopped. They're staging here, hoping and waiting for the roadway to open back up. You can't go further west. Use candrive.org to check weather and road conditions. There is a significant amount of roadways that are shut down due to the inability of getting these roadways safe for your travel. You need to stay home today. It's the place to be, not out here. Be safe, everyone, and check those weather and road conditions before you start traveling. Be safe.